Hello friends, in this video we will discuss about tyrosine kinase receptor, and the tyrosine kinase receptor are membrane bound receptor, and this type of receptor do not require any G protein, okay? And this tyrosine kinase receptor when not binds with any hormone, so this remains in monomeric form, and this type of receptors will be activated by insulin hormone or IGF-1 or EGF and the NGF. So this type of ligand can activate this tyrosine kinase receptor. Actually, this tyrosine kinase receptor is non-G protein coupled receptor, and this is also plasma membrane bound receptor. That means when receptor becomes activated, so this do not require any downstream G protein activation, right? So this type of receptor is G protein free receptor. Have three region. One is hormone binding domain, and another region, the middle region is remains attached with the plasma membrane, and another is cytosolic domain. And the hormone binding extracellular domain is rich in cysteine amino acid residue, and this cytosolic domain consisting of tyrosine kinase domain, and the kinase means any enzyme which can phosphorylate another protein, right? And when these receptors remains inactivated, so this type of receptor remains in monomeric form. And when ligand dimer, so these are the ligand dimer, when this ligand dimer binds with this extracellular domain which is rich in cysteine, then the receptor dimerization can be seen, right? And after dimerization of this receptor, the kinase domain becomes active. So these are the kinase domain, and this tyrosine kinase domain will be activated after binding of this ligand dimer. And this tyrosine kinase domain have autophosphorylation activity. That means each of this domain use ATP and becomes autophosphorylated, right? And after autophosphorylation, these receptors become activated, and then this receptor active many downstream signaling molecule like MAP kinase. So this is the function of tyrosine kinase receptor. Now we will see the details process. What is this tyrosine kinase receptor? What is the meaning of this tyrosine kinase receptor? Since in this receptor the cytosolic domain contains many tyrosine residues, so this is called as tyrosine. And the kinase means the cytosolic domain have kinase activity. The kinase enzymes can add phosphate group into another compound. And the receptor tyrosine kinase help in growth and the differentiation of cell, and the mutation causes cancer. Receptor remain monomeric form when ligand not binds with it, and the signal molecule in the form of dimer binds with this receptor and causes dimerization of receptor, and the ligand always binds with this receptor in dimeric form. And after then autophosphorylation of the tyrosine residues become intracellular kinase activity, and these use ATP. Then activated phosphorylated dimer receptor activate many downstream signaling molecule. This downstream signaling molecule again may be different type. And insulin or IGF-1 binds with this receptor tyrosine kinase domain, then the downstream signaling molecule will be AKT or MAP kinase. But when EGF and NGF binds with this receptor tyrosine kinase receptor, then RAS, RAF and the MAP kinase downstream signaling molecule will be activated. This is the function of this receptor tyrosine kinase, and in next video we will discuss about cytokine receptor, or we will discuss about JAK-STAT pathway. So thank you, and that's it.